Did you know you can turn any song into your phone ringtone or alarm sound directly from Samsung Music? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung Music app lets you choose a track, pick a specific part of the song, and set it as your ringtone, a contact ringtone, or even an alarm tone. Here's how to do it. Open Samsung Music app. Go to the Tracks tab. Next, tap the three dots next to the desired track. Then tap Set As. Now choose the part of the track you want to use. From the beginning, play selected highlight only or play selected part. You can listen how it would sound as you select it. As the example, let's just play selected highlight only. Then choose what you want to set it as. Phone ringtone to set the song as the default ringtone for all calls. Caller ringtone to set the song as a ringtone for a specific contact. Or alarm tone to use the track as an alarm sound. As the example, let's select alarm tone. Finally, tap Done, and that's how to set a song as your ringtone or alarm tone using Samsung Music on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.